Hello, Anke Herman here. I created this app to help you find out which coach is facilitating the 24/7 Zoom room that's under the roof of the In Search of a Peaceful Mind nonprofit created by Jan Christensen. And in this video, I'm going to talk you through what you can do with this app and how it works. If you have any questions, please get in touch and I'll show you how to do that too. So this is a public app that is designed and optimized to be used on a mobile device. But as you can see, I'm using it on a computer, right? So for you to access the application, you want to go to that link that you have obviously been given, and it takes you here. Now you can use the app straight from here, or if you access that link from a mobile phone, or if you use your camera and scan in the to scan in the code, then it'll take you straight to that site, right? To this page here. And if you're on an Android phone, you'll see a pop-up that will ask you to add the app to your home screen. And if you tap on that, you'll have that app available just like any other app on your phone, which makes it really convenient. Now, if you're on an iPhone, you'll have to go into like settings and then add to homepage. And there is, if you click on this little link here under the QR code, it opens a new page with a 45-second video that actually shows you how to do that. And it also shows it in images here, and you can see it explains how to install it on iOS and how to install it on Android. Now with the QR codes and all of that. So in my own case, when I installed an app like that for the first time, it wasn't showing directly on the homepage. I had to swipe up to see all the apps that I have installed on my phone, and from there I could find it, tap on it, and then drag it onto whatever home screen I wanted it. So, and once you have it there, you will basically be taken to this list here of weekdays. And if you click on one of those, you can see all the time slots available for that date, and they all come in 6 time zones. So you just find the one that is closest to you. And so you can see the ones with names in it. Obviously, they are the names of the coaches who will host that session. Most of the time it'll be one coach. Sometimes there is 2 coaches hosting one hosting the room or facilitating the room for a particular hour. And if you're not sure what time that is for you, you can click on the time slot, and there's a link here in every single one. There's a link that you can click, which takes you to the page here where the time zone converter, where you have all the 6 time zones, and you can type in your own city or time zone, and you can see exactly what time that is for you. So that's available on every single one. So you can always go back either using the back button, that wouldn't be in Spanish unless you're Spanish, because it'll pick it up from your browser or your phone, or you can also go here at the bottom to the tab and click it and once, and sometimes you click it twice to basically move back up the hierarchy basically. So you can easily see when somebody's in the room and who's in the room. Now, the other way of looking at that is to actually look for a particular coach. And if you can see, they all have languages here. So if you are looking for a coach who speaks a language other than English, you can basically use that search box. If you're on Android, there will be the little icon here, and you click on it to expand the search box. And you can, if you look for a particular coach, if you know somebody and you want to I don't know, you want to search for somebody, you can basically just start typing, and it'll filter the people who match that search. Or you can also search for language. So I'm looking for coaches who can do classes, do sessions in Spanish. So you basically just type in Spanish and you get a list of all the people who are hosting calls, who can host calls in Spanish, right? And then you can say, well, okay, let me just click on one and see when that person is actually on. And you can see, and every time you click on a coach, you see the slots, the time slots that coach is facilitating. So you can see when you basically when you can speak to that particular person, right? So it's yeah, that's as simple as it is. You can, if you have a question, if you have any problems, any comments, anything, there's a help section here. So you can click on the name of a support person here, and you can basically email us any questions you have. And this video you're just watching, you can see that here. You can always access that again in case you forget how something works. But so yeah, that is basically all there is to it. And yes, I hope to see you in the Zoom room. And if you have any questions, please let us know.